looks like it's time for me to clean this truck. My hood's covered with pollen from the evergreen trees, and the outside's full of bird shit because I accidentally parked underneath a tree when I sprayed my driveway. As you can see here, besides the pollen, all of this is because of so much rain around here. So what I'm going to do is take my electric power washer and wash my truck, and then I'll scrub it with an actual hand wash pad. See how it all builds up in here? That's just moss growing. I don't count the bird droppings all over my truck. That pollen's really thick in there besides the moss. So let's get at it. Yes, they call these tramp stamps. And back here, it's dirty. I do believe my brother David, when I let him borrow the truck, he didn't sweep it out. Brothers. So, how does a young guy like me get up in that truck? My ladder. Step stool. That way I can get up on the hood, wash it, climb in the truck and get the top of the cab. Okay, there it is, all power washed. Doesn't look too bad considering. Of course, power washing, all that does is helps take out the moss that was, which I can see some still in there. You can't get it all, it takes you 3 or 4 tries. But you can see the stripes in there just rinsing off the heavier stuff. And my tramp stamps are disappearing. Other than that, now I have to wash it with a actual hand, not a sponge, but that mop looking thing, and some good car wash with the wax in it. So that's electric power washer I used. And now, where is it? There it is. That's what I'm going to use to wash the truck. And of course I got my mitt. Pour a little of this magic stuff in there. Oh gosh, that should be it. Yeah, I might need more than that, but we'll call that good for now. And now for the water. And get me a good big bucket full, so that way I can thin down the dirt, even though I've pressure washed it. Yeah, that looks full enough. Okay, I got it all washed, rinsed off, done fighting with that hose. Put my stool away, rinse out my bucket, maybe pour the soapy water on some plants that might have aphids, and call it a day. It's evening. I'd guess it's about 65 degrees right now, and about 7:30.